Hello guys, are you looking for ESET VPN alternative? So here are 5 different VPN alternative you can use instead of ESET VPN. So number 1 is ExpressVPN. Just like ESET VPN, ESET VPN also require activation code. So watch this video to the end. I'll be giving out 5 ExpressVPN activation code for 5 of my subscribers. So let's go back to the video. So as you can see, we are connected with this ExpressVPN. So yeah, this is a premium ExpressVPN. So let's check out number 2 alternative. So number 2 is Proxy 5. This is another stronger, reliable proxy and VPN. Then number 3 is NordVPN. This is another strong VPN you can use instead of ESET. While number 4 is Surfshark. This is another premium VPN. While the 5th one is CyberGhost. This is an OG. This is an OG VPN. So if you need all this login, just hit me up. I will provide them for you. So let's check out another activation code using ExpressVPN. So let's copy this activation code, paste it, and click on sign in. So I'll be also giving out free VPN to 5 of my subscribers. So just comment below, make sure you're a subscriber, like and comment below. Then I will send you an activation code so you can use it for yourself. So you can see this is a premium VPN. This is a premium VPN. So let's connect. It's connecting. As you can see, we are connected to New York, USA. So thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you need a VPN, comment below. Bye.